The wait is finally over. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has officially arrived. It's already creating massive buzz in the drone community. This isn't just another small upgrade in the Mini series. This feels like a true leap forward. DJI has managed to keep the Mini under its signature lightweight category while packing in features that used to be reserved for their larger, more professional drones. If you thought compact drones had limits, the Mini 5 Pro is here to prove otherwise. DJI also made the Mini 5 Pro smarter. A new side button instantly activates. Quick shot modes for automated cinematic shots, perfect for beginners who want professional-looking footage without colic maneuvers. Voice command is another rumored feature, giving you the ability to tell your drone to take off or start recording. It's like having a voice assistant in the sky, minus the sass. Accessories also got a refresh, with Fly More combos including extra batteries, ND filters for creative control, carrying cases, and even a redesigned propeller guard to reduce noise and improve lift. These little touches make a big difference for creators who want reliability in the field. But here's the real surprise.
Pricing.
Despite all these upgrades, DJI kept the Mini 5 Pro's price close to the Mini 4 Pro. The base model starts around $750. While the top tier, its Fly More combo with the RC2 controller and plus batteries, goes for about $1,159. That's a bold move, especially since most companies raise prices with every new release. This strategy not only makes the Mini 5 Pro accessible to more buyers, but it also pushes down the cost of older models, creating a win-win for both new and budget-conscious users. So where does this leave the Mini 5 Pro in the drone market? Simply put, it stands at the top of its category. Competitors either cut features to keep drones lightweight or add features, but end up with heavier regulated drones. DJI managed to strike the perfect balance. Longer flight times, a professional-grade camera, smarter controls, and backward compatibility with controllers and accessories make this release both creator-friendly and future-proof. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro, it feels like DJI listened to every piece of user feedback and answered with meaningful upgrades. And here's the bottom line. DJI gave creators exactly what they asked for: longer flight times, smarter design, stronger connectivity, and professional-level imaging, all without inflating the price. The Mini 5 Pro is positioned perfectly for 2025, right before the holiday season, making it one of the most exciting tech launches of the year. If you want to see how this drone performs in real-world tests, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for upcoming videos where I'll break down camera quality, battery performance, and how it stacks up against previous models. And don't forget to check out the videos on your screen, one for a detailed camera comparison and another for the best accessories to pair with your drone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in